Yo, hello guys. Once again, I welcome you to Forex Success. Okay, I got a question from a subscriber asking how do I trade Crash 500 index. So I should do a video for how I trade Crash 500 index. Okay, I'll just make this very simple. I'll simplify the process and show you how I analyze Crash 500 before I take a trade. So if you don't have an account, this is Deriv. Click on the link at the description below to create an account on Deriv so you can start trading as well with our amazing strategy. The link is also at the description of this, also at the comment section of this video. Okay, so right now I'm gonna click on Crash 500 index, and I can see first thing I do is I'll just look at the market from the daily time frame. I can see it's a kind of going bearish. So okay, so it's a kind of going bearish. So I'm actually watching the market. So the first thing I would do, I can see currently that the price reacted. So put it back to the daily time frame. What's up? Okay, so I'll just get a line and mark it at here because that is a very strong support level as the price reacted a lot at that area. Then I'll move to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I can see it's coming down. You can see it's a downtrend coming to the downside right now. So that will first give me an insight, or we say it's not yet confirmed, but I'm seeing this as a set because okay, let me quickly get this too for the, where is it? I can't find it too again. Okay, can't find this too, guys. Okay, yeah, so let me quickly draw the out and make it very simple for you guys. Yeah, so it's actually loading, so please, we just need to be patient. Okay, so the thing is, why it's loading, I'll just quickly explain it. The thing is, actually trading synthetic indices and others, it's actually very much advisable to make the trend your friend. Very well advisable. So now we are back to business, and what did I do? So sorry guys, like really. Okay, so as I was saying, you need to make the trend your friend because
This January is long.
most times trend tends to continue moving the same direction. So now you can see 4 hour time frame right now, you can see a downtrend is going, but the only obstacle I'm seeing right here is this is the same zone that I marked out. You can see it's a very strong support zone, so that's the same zone that I marked out. Please watch this carefully guys, you're gonna learn from this. This is the same zone that I marked out. You can see the red line right there, this 6184.75 level. That is the same support zone I marked out. So I think it's gonna be a kind of difficult for the price to break through that support zone. So it might cause this crash 500 index to go to the upside, maybe forming some week before breaking down. But if it eventually breaks down, then this is our take profit for the trade. Yeah, that's support zone. Okay, so what I'll do now, I'll mark out again. Remember, we're using the 4 hour time frame. I'll mark out the targeted take profit level. This is just how I do my trading, guys. Just wait. I'm still showing you. Okay, so the point, this will be our take profit level. That's point. Yeah. So since that will be our take profit level, what next we'll do, I move to the 1 hour time frame and see what's going on the 1 hour time frame. I can see a downtrend right here, but then I can see the market giving me some consolidation moves, and the market is breaking structures because it has been having some high low moves, but then it started breaking the structure of the higher low moves that it was previously given. You can see it was coming, let me mark this out. Yeah, so it was coming down, higher low. You see this moves, high low. You see up to that point, so up to that point it was giving us a higher low moves. So but all of a sudden we started seeing breaking structures. Let me set this up. Okay, so we're getting that high low moves, please. Yeah, so you can see we're getting the high low and moves, and but all of a sudden the market starts breaking structures, not giving us the higher low moves anymore. You see it right here, guys, when the market came to the downside. Okay, as I'm scrolling this, it's actually not following. Yeah, okay, so let me just explain this properly. Let me take off this brush stuff. Let me take it off. Yeah, this is what I mean, guys. This is what I mean. This is what I mean. Look at it. The market was coming from a downtrend right here, came from to the downside, went to the up. You see, this is a higher low again to the downside again, forming higher lows. I hope you guys know what's higher lows. This is the higher low level, higher low, and the lower low. You see that? So came down again to the downside, but then pulled to the upside. It is still a downtrend. Why? Because this higher low, previous higher low wasn't broken. The lower low can be broken, but the previous higher low wasn't broken. That means it is still a downtrend. So the market came down again to the downside, as you see, came down for a downside. So downtrend is still continuing. This is Crash500 index, and then went up to the upside, trying to come down, which is actually it actually means it's still following the structure, still respecting the structure, but then it made a pull up to the upside, came down again for a higher high. You can see higher highs are now being formed. Then it went up again. You see this, went up again. Now what is holding this market again now? It's this previous higher high that is now forming a resistant level around this zone, and the market made a pullback to the downside, forming another lower high. You see that, forming another lower high, and we're expecting it to come down to this tick profit level. This is from 1 hour time frame. That is the analysis right now from the 1 hour time frame. You see that, guys? So you see, this is just how we do this. Since, as you can see, the market broke through this previous, remember I said unless the previous higher high, that is for an uptrend, unless the previous, okay, sorry, for a downtrend, let me clean this up. Let me just clean this up right now. Okay, yeah, like I said, for a downtrend, unless the previous higher high, you know, downtrend is actually coming down like this, and this. So this is the previous higher high. Unless this market breaks through this previous higher high, like going to the upside, breaking this, then the downtrend is still valid. So it came down, went up again, still not breaking this previous higher high. Unless it breaks through that previous higher high, that's when we can call it that the downtrend structure has been broken. So it still came down. You see that? So, but at this point, the previous making here the previous higher high, but then the previous higher high was broken. That means this downtrending market, the structure was broken, but this previous higher high wasn't broken as well. So this serves as a resistance level for this market, and then we got a pullback to the downside. So now the market forming a another retest move, that is retesting this zone as well, giving us a lower high movement. You get that, guys? So giving us a lower high movement, which we are expecting the market to move to the downside to this take profit level. As easy as that. So since that's what we see from the 1 hour time frame, I then move this market. I'll then go for the 15-minute time frame where I actually get my entry. From the 15-minute time frame now, I can see that the market is actually coming to the downside, and there is a very strong support level right here. Remember, guys, this is the same. If you look at it from the daily time frame where I marked out this zone, I said that's a very strong support zone. And if you check it from the 15-minute time frame, you see that it's still a very strong support zone. Guys, we just got another spike, which means the structure has been broken again. Yeah, means that the structure has been broken again. So sorry for the sound, guys. I'm not actually in a very calm or cool place. It's actually noisy, I know, but let's just manage this. Okay, you see, we got another spike right here, and the structure has been broken. This very strong support level has been broken, but you don't need to be deceived by that, because they are false breakouts. They can be false breakouts. So for you to know is you just have to wait. Since the market came down, hit this support level, went up for a retest, came down, we're still expecting this market to go up again for the retest. So I'm already sure that this market is gonna sell, but now what we need right now is that we're looking for an entry. So we'll just wait for the market to give us an appropriate entry. So while we've confirmed with the price action, the next thing we'll do is we include our indicators, which is firstly the moving average at period 40, shift 0, method simple, apply to close, the style 2 pixel, you click on it, done. So the indicator, you can see the indicator is pointing down. So that's confirming our analysis. Then the last indicator is the MACD. Yeah, the MACD, you can see the parameters. Please just take a screenshot, guys. The parameters is 12, fast EMA 12, slow EMA 26, MACD SMA is 9, apply to close. The main 2 pixel, the signal 2 pixel, you click done. As easy as this, your indicators are set for. So now we start from the 5-minute time frame to confirm. Okay, let's start from the 4-hour time frame to confirm it with indicators. Remember, this indicator, how do you use it? You check out for the intersection between the moving average and the chart. So if the moving average crosses below the chart, just like this point where the moving average crosses below the chart, and the MACD goes above the 0 level, you go in for a buy, just as you see right now. So the market bought, and then when the moving average crosses above the chart and the MACD is below the 0 level, just like here and here, you go for a sell. So that's how you use this strategy. So now that the MACD is below the 0 level and the moving average is above the is above the chart, you go for a sell according to our price action analysis, which indicated that the market is going to go short. So now the 4 hours time frame is giving us a reason for the sell. see we're still getting spikes going. The 4 hour time frame is giving us a reason for a sell. 1 hour time frame also giving us reason for a sell. You get that, guys? So 30-minute time frame also giving us for a sell. You see 1 hour crossed above, 30 minutes crossed above and MACD below the zero level, 15 minutes crossed above MACD below the zero level. You see that, guys? 5-minute time frame also just crossed above and the MACD below the zero level. See that, guys? So what we're gonna be doing is that as soon as this market breaks through this support level, we're gonna be entering for a sell. That is just how you can analyze and trade Crash 500 properly. You see, so the reason why we're waiting for it to break through, break out this support level is because we don't want to be caught in a false breakout. We want to make sure we see a candle end below this this support zone before we can take an entry, and giving and waiting for it to reach our take profit level. So this is how you can trade Crash 500 index, and make sure you set a stop loss. So in such a trade, this trade, the stop loss should be above this previous candle. Yeah, stop loss could be above this previous candle just to minimize your loss, and you take profit at this level. See that, guys? So you have about, that's about 1:2 ratio, 1:2 win/loss ratio. So that's just it. Should be actually risking 1 to get 2. That's 1:2 for the win/loss. So that's how we analyze these Crash 500 and to place trades. So I hope this is very helpful for you guys. So make sure you hit the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when we drop a new video for you guys. And don't forget to turn on, oh sorry, I said that before, so sorry about that. But if you don't have an account on Deriv, click on the link at the description below to open an account, yeah, and start trading. This is Amazing Strategy. Deriv is 24/7 every day. Thank you once again, guys. Forex success. Follow our Telegram group. The link is at the description below. Yeah.